Ever wondered what it's like to wander through the futuristic gardens by the bay? Picture yourself meandering through a fascinating fusion of nature and technology. This magnificent sprawling garden in the heart of Singapore is home to the iconic Super Tree Grove. These awe-inspiring vertical gardens stand as tall as skyscrapers, their canopies shimmering with an ethereal glow as night falls. They are a testament to the innovative spirit of this city-state. A short walk away, the cloud forest awaits. Step inside and be greeted by a towering indoor waterfall, its mist creating a surreal, dreamlike atmosphere. The cool, moist conditions mimic that of tropical highlands, housing a collection of rare plants that will leave botany enthusiasts in awe. Gardens by the Bay is more than just a garden. It's a symbiotic blend of flora and technology, a testament to Singapore's vision of a city in a garden. So, whether you're a nature enthusiast or a tech lover, Gardens by the Bay surely captivates all. Next on our journey is the architectural marvel of Marina Bay Sands. Rising majestically against the Singapore skyline, this icon is more than just a hotel. It's a testament to the city's modern and innovative spirit. Imagine swimming in the world's largest rooftop infinity pool, perched atop 3 stunning towers. The water seems to spill over into the sky, creating a seamless horizon that's simply breathtaking. And it's not just the pool that's awe-inspiring. The Sky Park, an oasis in the sky, spans across the tops of the towers, offering panoramic views of Singapore's vibrant cityscape. The architecture of Marina Bay Sands is a spectacle in itself. Its design, resembling a massive ship atop 3 columns, is a symbol of Singapore's ambition and grandeur. It's a place where the city's pulse meets the tranquility of the sky, making it a must-visit destination. Marina Bay Sands is not just a hotel, but a symbol of modern Singapore. Ready for a serene stroll through the Singapore Botanic Gardens? Let's saunter through this lush Eden, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's been enchanting visitors for over a century and a half. The tranquility here is palpable, a soothing respite from the vibrant cityscape. The gardens are a testament to Singapore's rich biodiversity, a living tapestry of vibrant flora and fauna. Marvel at the myriad of orchids, the garden's pride and joy, blossoming in a dazzling array of colors in the National Orchid Garden. Wander through the ancient rainforest, a relic predating the gardens themselves, and listen to the symphony of nature. Be captivated by the history etched into the Swan Lake, the oldest ornamental water feature in Singapore. The Singapore Botanic Gardens is more than just a park. It's a living museum, a testament to the city's harmonious blend of nature and progress. A visit to the Botanic Gardens is a refreshing escape from the bustling city. Now let's experience the entertainment paradise of Sentosa Island. A dazzling gem nestled in the heart of Singapore, Sentosa Island is a playground of sun, sea, and endless fun. From the pristine sandy beaches to the thrilling rides at Universal Studios, there's something for everyone here. Bask in the sun at Palawan Beach, a tranquil oasis perfect for a leisurely afternoon. For the adrenaline junkies, head over to Adventure Cove Water Park and conquer the high-speed water slides. Don't forget to explore the Sea Aquarium, where you can marvel at more than 100,000 marine animals from different parts of the globe. If you're a fan of the movies, Universal Studios Singapore is a must-visit. With 7 themed zones, each featuring unique rides and shows, it's a paradise for the young and young at heart. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a beach lover, or a movie buff, Sentosa Island has got you covered. Sentosa Island truly embodies the fun and vibrant spirit of Singapore. Next, we dive into the vibrant cultures of Chinatown and Little India. Brimming with life and color, Chinatown is a dazzling spectacle that captures the essence of Singapore's traditional Chinese heritage. As we meander through the neighborhood, we're greeted by rows of brightly colored shophouses, their facades a vibrant canvas of pastels and bold hues. At the heart of Chinatown, the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple stands as a majestic testament to the neighborhood's spiritual fervor. This striking temple houses what is believed to be a tooth relic of Buddha himself, drawing throngs of devout Buddhists and intrigued tourists alike. As we step onto the bustling streets, tantalizing aromas waft through the air. Street food vendors serve up a smorgasbord of mouth-watering cuisine, from succulent roasted duck to rich, flavorful bowls of laksa. Every bite is a cultural journey, a delightful fusion of flavors that tell the story of Singapore's Chinese community. We then transition from the vibrant streets of Chinatown to the bustling markets of Little India. Here, the air is rich with the scent of spices and incense, a sensory invitation to explore the neighborhood's cultural charm. It's a bustling hub of activity, where traditional trades and customs thrive amidst the city's modernity. The streets are lined with markets selling everything from vibrant silk saris to traditional Indian sweets. The Tekka Center in particular is a must-visit. It's a vibrant market where you can find a plethora of items from fresh produce to textiles, and a food court serving an array of Indian delicacies. As we stroll through Little India, the sound of Bollywood music fills the air, adding to the neighborhood's lively atmosphere. The Sri Veeramakaliamman Temple, a prominent Hindu temple, stands as a vibrant symbol of the Indian community's religious devotion. These neighborhoods, Chinatown and Little India, are more than just tourist attractions. They are living, breathing embodiments of Singapore's multicultural heritage. These neighborhoods are a testament to Singapore's rich cultural diversity. Hungry? Time to indulge in Singapore's renowned hawker centers. One cannot truly experience the Lion City without venturing into these bustling food paradises. Here, the city's multicultural heritage comes to life in an array of affordable and delectable local dishes. These hawker centers are a testament to Singapore's unique blend of cultures and tastes. From the fragrant Hainanese chicken rice, a dish that will tickle your taste buds with its combination of tender chicken and flavorful rice, to the spicy coconut-infused laksa, these food centers offer a culinary journey like no other. And let's not forget about the char kway teow, a stir-fried noodle dish that's a crowd favorite, or the satay, skewers of marinated meat, grilled to perfection and served with a rich peanut sauce. Each bite is a burst of flavors, a symphony of tastes that perfectly encapsulates the country's rich culinary tradition. A visit to a hawker center is a culinary journey through Singapore's multicultural heritage. From wildlife encounters to shopping sprees, Singapore never ceases to amaze. Let's begin with a visit to the world-renowned Singapore Zoo. Known for its open-concept exhibits, this zoo is a haven for over 300 species of mammals, birds and reptiles. But what sets it apart from others is its commitment to creating as natural an environment as possible for its residents. The animals roam freely in spacious and landscaped enclosures, separated from visitors by hidden barriers or moats, giving you a unique open zoo experience. You can marvel at the majestic white tigers, share a laugh with the playful orangutans, or even have a breakfast date with the friendly zoo inhabitants. The Singapore Zoo is not just about fun, it's also about learning and conservation, making it a truly engaging wildlife experience. Now it's time to swap the jungle for the city. Welcome to Orchard Road, Singapore's premier shopping street. Stretching over 2 kilometers, this bustling boulevard is a paradise for shopaholics. High street brands? Check. Luxury fashion houses? Absolutely. Quirky boutiques? You bet. But Orchard Road is not just about shopping, it's a lifestyle destination. You can catch the latest blockbuster at a state-of-the-art cinema, dine at a Michelin-starred restaurant, or simply watch the world go by from a chic cafe. And when the sun goes down, the street transforms into a vibrant nightlife scene with trendy bars and clubs. If you're visiting during the festive season, you're in for a treat as Orchard Road decks up in glittering lights and stunning decorations, making it a spectacle to behold. So whether you're an animal lover keen on close encounters of the wild kind, or a shopaholic looking to indulge in a retail therapy, Singapore has something for everyone. This city-state is an amalgamation of diverse experiences, promising an adventure at every turn. But the journey doesn't end here. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more of what Singapore has to offer. Our journey ends at Merlion Park, home to the iconic Merlion statue. This majestic creature, half fish and half lion, is the national symbol of Singapore. It vividly represents the city-state's original name, Singapura, or Lion City, and its humble beginnings as a fishing village. This emblematic figure stands tall at over 8.5 meters, spouting water from its mouth into the picturesque Marina Bay. From this vantage point, the park offers a breathtaking panorama of the city's skyline. The contrast of the traditional Merlion against the backdrop of skyscrapers and modern architecture is a visual testament to Singapore's remarkable journey from a small fishing village to a bustling, cosmopolitan city. It's a site that captures the essence of Singapore, a fusion of old and new, tradition and innovation, culture and modernity. From the Malayan Park, one can truly appreciate the stunning fusion of tradition and modernity that is Singapore. From lush gardens to towering skyscrapers, from tranquil parks to bustling markets, we've explored the many facets of Singapore. We've meandered through the futuristic gardens by the bay, home to the iconic super tree grove and cloud forest. We've marveled at the architectural wonder that is Marina Bay Sands, with its breathtaking rooftop pool and sky park. We've strolled through the serene Singapore Botanic Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and experienced the fun-filled paradise of Sentosa Island. We've immersed ourselves in the vibrant cultures of Chinatown and Little India, indulged in the diverse culinary delights of Singapore's renowned hawker centers, and visited the world-famous Singapore Zoo. We've shopped until we dropped on Orchard Road and posed with the iconic Malayan statue at Malayan Park. Each location tells a story, and together, they weave the vibrant tapestry that is Singapore. So, when will you start your Singapore journey?